Good morning, dear students of class 9. We have just finished the exercise 7.1 of the chapter triangles. Today we will start exercise 7.2, but before that we have some theorems to do. So we have theorem 7.2. This theorem is angles opposite to equal sides of equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal are equal. So this is the theorem which we have to do. So in this theorem it is said that angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle. So let us consider triangle ABC be an isosceles triangle, and in this triangle AB side is equal to AC side. So we can say AB equal to AC, it is given. And what is to prove if it is an isosceles triangle and sides are equal? Then it is said that angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle are equal. If in an isosceles triangle two sides are equal, then their opposite angles are also equal. Means the angle opposite to this side, that is C, will be equal to angle opposite to this side, AC. So we have to prove angle B equal to angle C. So for this we have to do a construction. So construction we will just draw the bisector of angle A. This is the bisector. Bisector means a line. Suppose AD is the bisector. So bisector is a line which bisect the whole angle. So this angle is equal to this angle. Okay. So draw the bisector of angle A. Okay. Bisector, you can just name bisector as AD. So we can write bisector AD of angle A. Okay, now it's fine. So why we are doing this construction? To do the proof. So our proof starts here. So we easily prove these triangles to be congruent. So first of all, take triangle ABD and other triangle is triangle ADC. Okay, so in these triangles, what are the things which are equal, which you know? AB equal to AC. It is given because the sides of isosceles triangles are equal. And second thing, this angle is equal to this angle. So let us consider this angle to be angle 1 and this angle to be angle 2. So angle 1 equal to angle 2 from by construction. By construction. And what is the third thing? Third thing is AD side is in triangle ABD. AD side is also in triangle ADC. So we can say AD equal to AD. It is common. So triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ADC. So which congruency is this? Side, angle, side. So by SAS congruency or SAS congruence rule. So you know if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding angles are equal. So angle B of this triangle is equal to angle C of triangle ADC. So which we have proved. It is by CP/CT property. So dear student, just note down this. You can just pause the video. So after this we will do the other theorem The second theorem, this is same to this but just opposite to this. Here the language is angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. So in this we have given angles are equal. In this triangle, angle B is equal to angle C, and we have to prove the sides opposite to them are equal, just opposite to the previous theorem. So this time we have given angles are equal and we have to prove sides are equal. So we have to prove AB equal to AC. So in this also we will do the same construction. That's why I did not raise the figure. So we will do the same construction. We will draw the bisector AD of angle 1. So one more time I will just explain to you. Angles opposite to equal sides of a triangle are equal. If we have a triangle and its two angles are equal, then its opposite sides will also be equal. Suppose this angle is 30 degree and this angle is also 30 degree and this side is 5 centimeter, then this side will be automatically 5 centimeter. So this is the theorem which we have to prove. So how to prove? By the same process. We will prove these triangles to be congruent. So in triangle ABD and triangle ADC, first thing is this time angle B equal to angle C. It is given. You will write the things of this triangle on the left side and the things of this triangle on the right side. Okay. So angle B equal to angle C. Second thing you know is uh, angle 1 equal to angle 2. This is by construction because we have drawn the bisector. So by construction, it is by construction. And what is the third thing? AD. AD is in both the triangles. So AD equal to AD common. So we can say now triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ADC. It is by AAS congruence rule. Okay, so it is by AAS congruence rule. If these two triangles are congruent, so we easily can say AB equal to AC. Because if two triangles are congruent, their corresponding sides are equal. AB equal to AC by CPCT property. So dear students, note down this theorem also.